Hi, my name is Aryan Dikani and my project is development of an e-commerce website using Blazor Web App Service and WebAssembly and a comparison between these two for Apollowear website. So Apollowear is a startup selling gym clothing online and it needs a smooth shopping experience for its users, a user-friendly, scalable and secure e-commerce website as well. We need to see which Blazor assembly or web app server Blazor is best for its website in terms of performance, scalability, and user experience. And we need to consider the efficient backend for user authentication, product display, checkout, and admin features while ensuring the security. How the deliverable solves the problem. So by using Blazor WebAssembly and Server and ASP.NET, C Sharp, SQL Server for cloud-based storage, Stripe for secure payment, and JWT for authentication and authorization identity framework as well. So we will have user authentication, an intuitive product catalog, secure checkout, admin features for managing products and orders, and a comparison between performance of WebAssembly and Web App Server. So now let's just start with Apple Laser Server version. So our home page, as you can see, all products are showing. I'll just go quickly for example, the shirt section. I can filter the product, for example, just to M size and just bring me the M size and S size, for example, and then I will have all the M and S. Just go to one of them. So this is small. I can even change the color of the t-shirt. I can change the size of the t-shirt. So for example, medium, black, and then I can even like the item as well. So all those process are went through the Blazor UI component that you just see, and the partner service and the database. So the partner service handle all the products, categories from the database. King items, if I go here, I can see the liked items here and I can see the heart is changed. I even can add item to the bag, so I have it in the shopping bag. So what if I just close the browser? So I just close the browser, it's a new tab, and as you can see, I still have the item on the shopping bag because I'm using cookies. If I inspect the page and go to the application, here are the cookies like items, shopping bag, and also here, as you can see, I can unlike an item as well, and it's gone. Back, so they are both using the browser cookies. Uh, Now I try to check out. So as you can see, it asks me to log in or register because I have to be a customer. I'll try to register and just bring me all postcodes so I can actually search through the postcodes. Um, I use OS Places service and an external location API for it. And $sign. So now I registered. Now let's just try to log in. Let me as well to log in. I could log in, and if I go to the profile, I can see my details as well. I can even sign out. So now I'm completely signed out by again. So now let's try to actually buy a product. So I'll add this to the shopping bag as well, just for example. Proceed to checkout. You can see I could actually proceed to checkout. I'll just choose delivery date and then continue to payment. So I came through the Stripe payment page and a postcode. So payment was successful. And if I go to my profile, if I go to my orders, I can see actually the items on my account. So for login system, I use authentication service and our user manager, which was identity framework. For orderings, I was using ordering service, Stripe session service, and a Stripe payment getaway. Access to the admin part, we don't have the access because our account is just a normal user. I'll log in as an admin. I just sign out as an admin, and there you go. I have access to the admin dashboard, so I can manage users. I have all the users. I have in our users that we had test2 at Gmail. I can disable it, enable it, delete it, change it to the admin access. I can even manage products. I can add products, remove the product, delete it, edit it, and I can even manage categories. I can even manage departments, colors, sizes, images. I can even add like upload an image and it will be on the website. Now I will quickly just do a demo on a WebAssembly version of the website. So this is our WebAssembly version of our website. Just go quickly through just an item. I'll just add to the bag. Just proceed to checkout. Just need to log in, register. I'll just log in. I could log in now. I just go to checkout again, just choose a delivery. Everything else is same, processes are same. Nothing. Then I can see my order complete. So order was successful, my payment was successful, and I can see the So the main differences between the WebAssembly and the Blazor server was using the browser local storage instead of the cookie. Using APIs instead of the services as we are in the client side, and JWT service as well as we are to just make it secure as we are on the client side. And here we have the ERD diagram and product management, which we have the category, department, order product, which is connection table, image, color, size, and upload user. Now let's just go through the code. I'll just go quickly to the Visual Studio. We have our data library here with DB context, models, migrations, seeding, and dependency injection, which is connected to Apollo Blazor and Apollo API for the WebAssembly version. Then we have our Apollo Blazor server version, which have our the root here. Our components, layouts, pages, for application, administration, browser shops. We have our all modules as we saw on the ERDs connected with those, with the data library. We have our services, department services for getting the categories, products, and everything from the database related to the products. Liked items regarding the cookies, regarding the like items, order service to placing the orders, getting the order detail, and also we have also places services using the API. We have the shopping back service here by using the cookie. We have Stripe session to create this Stripe API because we needed an API for the WebAssembly version. We can't just have everything on the client side. I created controller and API for each functionality and logic like our to just make it like our Blazor server version. We have JWT service in this API for the better security on the client side. So we have a JSON converter to convert everything as we receive the data from the API, to just convert it to the data. And in terms of the testing, we have the unit testing. I implemented unit tests for both server and the Blazor WebAssembly version. So I just ran a test for the Blazor server, and we can see that it's like 56 tests and it's just running through, and we can see all of them are passing by. Then so 56 was passed. Then I run a tests for WebAssembly. So as you can see, I wrote a test for each of the services for Blazor server, and I made a test for each API and services for the WebAssembly version. And then we will move for the testing. I used an end user testing by using the Google form to gathering feedbacks, and the feedbacks are from the software, the development professions from my placement. And then we have the performance testing. I compared the performance of Blazor WebAssembly and Blazor Web App Server by using Lighthouse, Google Page Speed and Size, and for front end I use benchmark.net for backend performance. Security testing, I ensure the sensitive user data is handled securely by implementing the HTTPS, JWT, and input validation to prevent SQL injections and cross-site scripting, like for example when user register its account on us.